It's that time of the year again where I get wet from head to toe every other day, but not in a good way. It's monsoon, and your bike gets dirty as soon as you wash it. Chain maintenance especially gets even more challenging. It starts to rust if proper care is not taken. This ignorance could set you back a good few grand depending on the bike you have. On the street triple, it's anywhere between 10 to 12 grand, which could be avoided easily. After a thorough wash, you could use any chain cleaner. WD-40 works more than perfectly. Let it settle in for a couple of minutes before you start brushing your chain. This lets the degreasing agent do its thing, which is make your life a lot easier. You can use the normal toothbrush or one of those three-sided chain brush as long as you're gentle and thoroughly brush all sides of the chain. Spray enough water on the chain and get rid of all the dirt, grease and WD-40. Use a cloth to dry off the chain, which helps the lube stick a lot better. Don't stress about what kind of chain lube to use as long as you use one regularly. Use adequate lube on all sides of the chain and along the whole length of it. The chain maintenance anywhere between 300 to 500 kilometers is good, depending on the amount you ride, weather, and road conditions.